We are here in Ngwelezane Hospital to visit two projects that the department had started. The first one is a place that is called Dinagegela Center that is managed by Ngwelezane Hospital. This is a place where patients that come from 3 districts, which are Zululand, Umkhanyakude, and are traveling either to Ngwelezane Hospital or are traveling further to eThekwini, which could be Victoria Mxenge or Inkosi Albert. The project called Nagegela Center is a planned patient transport project where patients that are traveling from Zululand, Umkhanyakude, coming to Ngwelezane or going further to eThekwini in the 2 hospitals that are there, Victoria Mxenge and Inkosi Albert, come here and change transport and have to travel further. So what we decided to do as a department is to create an environment where patients are going to be able to wait in an area that is conducive, in an area that is welcoming as people who are actually getting clinical treatment. So we decided to renovate the center that they are staying in, and today we had just come to make sure that we see that facility, and we are very excited with the new facility because in the previous one, the old one, everyone, female, male, were staying in one area, but with the new developments, there is one center for females and another center for males. Sekunjani lana nanibheka nalapha ebenhlala khona phambili?
Shoda ngolwandle manje.
Sekushoda imandla kuphela.
Akushoda ulwandle.
Hayi, siyabonga kakhulu. Senzela khona ukuthi ungathi uwenze treatment ungaphathekile kahle bese ufika uhlala esitulweni futhi ulinde isikhathi eside.